This is going to be a short basic video on how to view and modify which apps on your computer launch at startup. To start, we'll open our start menu and type in the word startup. Then we will click on the topmost result that says startup apps. This will open the direct setting menu. You can additionally access this from the normal Windows settings menu by clicking apps and then startup, but the method I'm showing here is a bit quicker. Once in the setting menu, we are presented with the list of apps that is loaded on your computer startup. We are able to sort it by name, status, and startup impact. As you can see, some apps will impact the startup time a bit more than others. For instance, the Logitech Options app is showing as having a high impact. I can go ahead and turn that off, and it will no longer be loaded on startup. As you can see, we're pretty much limited by what is on this list and what you would like to have load. Thanks for watching the video.